12 of 45-second presentation. So in case you want to internalize it, go back to chapter 12. If you have read it, I realize that these things are things you need to do to read over and over again. Hello? Hi. Can you commit to me that you will read this book? If you are committed to me, say I will read.
I will read.
Say I will practice.
I will practice.
Okay, this is very, very important. Now listen to this. I want to read something to you. It says, don't make the mistake of going with your distributor to go and see 5 people at one time. Now, the finance approach says, if I want to teach my distributor, I need to help him sponsor the first 5 people, not dashing people, not dashing my people. Get him to organize a meeting for his people and then go with him there. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you understand this well, you will get support on your upline. You will also be able to provide support for your downline as well. He says, don't make the mistake of going with him to see 5 people at a time. Go with your distributor 5 times to see each person individually. If you see all 5 at once, one negative person could spoil for the 4. Besides, if you go with your distributor 5 times, your distributor will get to see the presentation 5 times rather than only once. Now, this is the training. They will be ready to go with each other of their distributors 5 times as well. Your distributor will become an expert practicing on their distributor's prospects, just as you have become an expert by practicing on their own prospects. Now, when we say go back to school, what it means is that this is a new field entirely. Are we together? When I went to school to study engineering, it took me 5 years plus X. While I was in school, nobody was paying me in school. I was in school for 5 years with the hope that when I get out, I will get a good paying job. Are you following me? After all my neighbors, 5 years plus another strike 6 years in school of studying, when I came out and I bagged a job that was paying me less than $400 per month, I was excited. Are you following me? 5 years of academics, I came out at $400, less than $400 a month. I was one of the top earning people in my class. 2001. Now, Josiah is saying to us that when you get involved in this business, in 3 to 5 years, not only will you get a job, in 3 to 5 years you can retire. 6 months into this school, you can begin to earn well. The problem we have is that we wear a paradigm that assumes that as soon as we start, we must begin to earn. Look at the thing beside you, say cool down. They say cool down first. Now, you need to understand that when you buy the people, what you have done is you have enrolled in school. Whether you now attend classes or not is your problem. But you have enrolled in school. And within 6 months of this enrollment, if you pay attention, you can begin to earn $2,000 to $600 a month by building correctly. It's not a school of only reading, it's a school of involvement. Say to the person beside you, involvement. Tell the person beside you, this is a school. Tell the person, this is a school. And one of the best ways to introduce opportunity to somebody is to tell them, do you know any of your 5 friends who will be willing to retire in the next 5 years after having attended a school? There's nobody that you know that won't be interested. And if I'm going to come with you to see them, if I'm your upline, and I'm going to come with you to sit down, 3 of us, or maybe we get one other to join us, so that the sizzle can make a lot of fire. Are we together? We learned sizzle yesterday. So if there are 3 of us, imagine this. Imagine a prospect that you have that would love to retire in 5 years, that desires to also learn what people work for 35 years that they cannot retire. Yeah. I hope you know. Yeah. People work for 35 years, retire, and then depend on their children. I hope you know. Yeah. Now, imagine I said to you, look for 5 of your friends. send to them will be different. You say, dear friend, somebody just shared an opportunity with me to attend a school for a period of 1 year that will help us to be able to retire in 5 years. They told me that amongst my list of 100 friends, I should choose 5. I have chosen you. Where would you like to meet? Imagine that you want to settle that meeting, and I am coming for that meeting. Mr. Matthew is coming for that meeting, and let's get a lady. Naomi is coming for that meeting as well. And the 3 of us meet together with this your 1 person and you. Will there be a blast in that fire? Do you understand? As we sit down together, we discuss the opportunity, 25 minutes we are done. Will the person sign up? What am I saying? This is the way it needs to go. People need to get to this understanding that this is a school. Say to your neighbor, this is a school. Say this is a school. Now, when somebody to come and speak with us today, and he's talking about playing with the